In this video, I'm going to show you how to share files and folders on Google Drive. So on your browser, go to Google Drive and then navigate to the folder or file that you want to share, and then right click on it and then click share. So from this, you could select which people to share it with. So if I select that email, I could even add a message here, and then I would click send, and that is going to be sent to the person that we have selected. Now another thing that you could do is right click on the folder that you want to share and then click on get shareable link. So what's it gonna do is to get a link. So it comes up with the link to the file or folder that you want to share. You want to copy that link, and then you could select who could open the link, like anyone with the link, and then you could even determine what they could do, if they could only view the document or folder, or if they could edit it too. And if you save those settings, you could just send the link to whoever you want to send it to, and there you go. Anyone with that link could then view the folder and the file and either edit it or not according to these settings. And that is how you share files and folders on Google Drive. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.